65 miles an hour down Mopac, and I can see the rock coming. Bam, right there on my windshield. Now this chip might not be that big, but if I let it go, it could spread across the whole windshield. Local auto parts stores do sell kits to fix stuff like this, but I found them to be a little confusing and not that effective. But there are professionals here at Arbor that can take care of it. Now Ty, how effective is this repair?
It actually is very effective. We can get most of the cosmetic look of the chip out of the window, so it looks really good, as well as 100% structural, so it will not crack and will not spread.
Well, how does it work?
What Jeff is doing right now is actually drilling the windshield to release the pressure from the glass. Then he puts the pressurized bridge on the windshield and pressurizes the bond into the first layer of glass to basically provide a sealant so it can't crack and it can't spread. And at that point, removes the injector and now puts an actual thick resin on the hole where the rock hit it and lets it dry. The plastic is a film tab that actually flattens out the resin. Is able to provide a sealant on the outside where the rock hit it, so we can get a nice smooth surface on the outside. He cleans it up with the razor blade, so it actually provides a smooth surface, so we're able to polish it properly, so it comes out cosmetically as well as structurally.
Wow, so that took no time at all. What, about 5 minutes?
About 5 minutes, yeah.
Okay, cool. Now, most insurance companies with full coverage, you're not going to pay a dime, but they do have a $40 cash option if you want to go that route. Now, not only does this repair look a lot better, but it's not going to spread and make the car dangerous or even illegal to drive. So see you next week from Where Your Driver's Ed.